Good morning, 7th graders. Welcome to week 10. All right, so first and foremost, before we jump into what we're doing this week, I just want to, again, bring your attention to the Google Meet sign-up sheet. I'm going to do it a little differently this week. If you saw my announcement, I actually want to try to do, like, everybody meeting, because I feel like that may make things a little easier. So when you go in to week 10, which I will shift that in just a moment, what I'm going to do is on Tuesday and Thursday, I'm going to have just a 30-minute window for people to join, ask questions, say hello, whatever it is that you need to discuss. Potentially, I would like it to just be a conversation that you can have with me or possibly a classmate. Not that it's just some social thing, but I also want you to be able to see, your classmates and their faces and their voices and things like that. No pressure. You don't have to join. Again, I emphasize it's not mandatory, and obviously you cannot join in unless you have permission by a parent, which was sent out a few weeks back. That Google form needs to have been completed in order for you to join the Google Meet. So for my honors classes, that's first, second, and fourth period, you can join in from 12:30 to 1, and then my on-grade classes, you can join from 1 to 1:30. Okay. Let's try this out just because the sign-up sheet, it's had its flaws, and I'm curious to see how this is going to work out for us instead. Okay, so that's item number 1. Now to jump in what we're doing for the week. Go in, and we are actually in week 10 of distance learning, believe it or not. Quick recap, you're going to be doing Word Wizard, list 17. And honestly, guys, I'm pretty sure this is going to be our last Word Wizard of the school year, which is very sad. But yeah, it's pretty much, I don't see me giving you another assignment because school is potentially very close to ending. I mean, it's the first. We have 16 more days left. I don't see myself giving you another Word Wizard assignment. Okay, so this is potentially the last one. Then after that, it says you need to read or listen to the article Censorship, for the people or for controlling the people. And after you've read or listened to the article, you should complete the questions that follow. So Ms. Shep and I are trying something new. I hope it works. When you go in, you'll have the introduction video to Word Wizard list 17. Mr. Hunter put that together for us, so thank you, Mr. Hunter. And then you'll have the assignment itself. And then there is just a brief, thing that you can click here. It'll talk to you a little bit about what censorship is, just in case you're not familiar with that term, just to know what censorship is in itself. And then here is the article itself, and it's a PDF, just like last time. You'll go in, you read through it, okay, and then there are questions that we inserted. Sorry, that's my little guy. Adam. Shh. When you go back into the week 10 folder, you're supposed to complete this. These are the questions that I'm referring to. We did it a little different. We didn't want to do a Google Doc or a Google form. We wanted to try something new. This is supposed to go directly into the grade book. So I'm hoping this works out well. I tried this earlier in the school year and I didn't have much luck, but hopefully we figured it out this time. So you go through, it's just 5 questions, you answer them, and then it should give you a score, okay? If it's not giving you a score, this short essay may be holding us back, but I love to play around with that and see how it works. Feel free to send me a message, let me know if it worked, if it didn't work, if it gave you automatic results or not, because I'm curious to know, honestly, since I haven't really played around with this much. Okay, so that's your week. Not too bad. Keep in mind what you're reading in these articles because next week we're going to use the information we learned in this article as well as the one from last week about good deeds, and we're going to respond to a writing prompt. So please reach out if you have any questions. Joining the group Meet is awesome too. I'm happy to answer your questions there too. You probably have questions that your classmates also have. So feel free to join, feel free to send a Schoology message, an email, whatever it is that you'd like, just so that you can get the help that you need. All right, guys. Thank you. Have a great week.